E-commerce is a trillion-dollar industry and it just keeps on growing. According to Statista, retail e-commerce sales amounted to approximately $4.9 trillion worldwide, and it's forecasted to grow up to $7.4 trillion over the next 4 years. Join us as we talk about the 8 trends that will shape the e-commerce industry by the year 2030. Welcome to MetaUverse, the space where all things tech get the spotlight. If you're new here, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel for your dose of tech trend news, Tesla reviews, and other insights into the tech world. Number 1. Crypto. Crypto may become a common payment option to reach more consumers. With cryptocurrency having unlocked a new way to transact online, crypto and e-commerce are now being dubbed as the dynamic duo of the internet. It's given many an online retailer a new payment method option, and while it isn't yet widely accepted today, it is expected that when price fluctuations for crypto stabilize through time, larger companies will begin to join the bandwagon. What makes it more appealing is that most cryptocurrencies make use of something called a DLT, or distributed ledger technology, also known as blockchain. This allows it to keep a public record of all transactions. Blockchain is essentially a shared database that allows multiple users to access data and verify it in real time. Its technology is virtually unhackable. According to Grandview Research, the global blockchain technology market is expected to grow from $6 billion in 2021 to $395 billion in 2028. Number 2. Making purchases on social media networks will become the norm. Instead of seeing an ad on, say, Instagram or Facebook and then needing to leave the platform to search for the product, shopping would be done without ever needing to leave the app. Facebook Shops allow sellers to create shops on the Facebook platform itself so that people can browse and buy products in less time. Instagram Shoppable posts allow sellers and influencers to add products to their Instagram posts. And just the same, Pinterest Buyable Pins features allows shoppers to buy products directly on the app instead of a third-party website. These would be the best tools for e-commerce businesses to increase their profits. 54% of social media users do research on products using social media, and so it would simplify the customer journey and reduce abandoned carts. Number 3. Virtual reality will become an integral part of many marketing initiatives. VR devices will allow people to view products from different angles and environments, and even see them in action within virtual environments. Different product options can be tested and appreciated in different contexts, and it is anticipated to revolutionize multiple industries such as entertainment and education. Number 4. Augmented reality will become commonplace. Through the use of AR, shopping experiences will allow customers to see how a product might look on them in their home or at the office. The technology will allow customers to simply click on the product and see it overlaid anywhere their camera points to, from whichever angle they want, and at an interactive 360 degrees experience. This feature would essentially empower customers by giving them a clear idea of a product's value proposition. Handheld and wearable devices and smartphones are expected to provide the bulk of these experiences. Shopify AR already allows customers to view products in various natural environments before actually buying them. This saves time and effort by helping customers make informed decisions in less time. And here's a fun fact. Augmented reality is likely to become more widely used than virtual reality. Grandview Research estimates that the global virtual reality market will be worth $67 billion in 2028, while augmented reality will be worth $340 billion. This means that the AR global market is anticipated to be 500 times larger than VR. Number 5. AI assistants. What once seemed like complete science fiction has evolved into something that we experience every single day. We interact with chatbots to complain about a late delivery, while sellers rely on AI to help them create product descriptions for their e-commerce stores. The use of technology is expected to further expand and become a cognitive prosthetic 24/7. Depending on what permission a consumer grants it, an AR Jarvis type of assistant could read your emails for you, transcribe all of your calls, check your blood sugar levels, and so much more. Take it a step further and your AI assistant will get to know you as a secretary would and would be able to anticipate your preferences and shop for you, help you with problem solving. The sky's the limit. By the mid-2030s, we may even begin using brain-computer interfaces or BCIs. When such a time comes, users will be able to interact with their AI assistants through the brain activity and nothing else, which will again take this technology to a whole nother level. Number 6, voice commerce will soar in popularity. With the help of voice search, users are able to order takeout, call for a taxi, book a table at a restaurant, among other things. Statistics show that 72% of people who own voice-activated speakers actually use these devices as a part of their daily routine, with the majority of voice activity occurring on mobile devices to virtual assistants. Consumers have gotten comfortable using voice search features on apps like Google instead of actually typing the words out. Voice-enabled shopping has likewise grown tremendously, and experts predict further growth in this category. Number 7. Emerging markets will experience exponential growth. In the third quarter of 2021, studies showed that more than 4.8 billion of the world's 7.5 billion population was online. Cybersecurity Ventures predicts that that number would almost double to 7.5 billion users of the world's projected 8.5 billion population by 2030. A big chunk of new users will come from emerging markets like China, India, Brazil, South Africa, and Russia. An increase of potential consumers by 2.7 billion is massive, to say the least, and this should bring an increase in profits for e-commerce businesses of all shapes and sizes. Number 8. Autonomous delivery drones will become mainstream. Automation is the next big thing in logistics, and it offers many advantages to society. This would include faster delivery time, more affordable shipping costs, accident reduction, a decrease in human error, a reduction of carbon dioxide emissions, and increased customer satisfaction. Amazon Prime Air is designed to safely get packages of up to 5 pounds to customers in 30 minutes or less using autonomous aerial vehicles, also known as drones. The platform is still being tested in Amazon Prime's development centers in the US, the UK, Austria, France, and Israel, but Amazon has already received an approval from FAA to operate its drones, and it should be underway in the very near future. Which trend are you most excited about? Sound off in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more Tesla and tech updates on this space.